this is a wonderful question. We have under coordinate geometry. We want to see how we can answer this beautiful question. So the question is saying, the diagram below shows a Cartesian plane with points A, B, C, and D. These are the points A, B, C, and D. These are the points that are shown. And the first question that we are given here, the question is saying, we find the equation of the line CD. So we are going to answer this question together. So when I answer this CD, I'll also find another question that I'll give you so that I see if you people are able to understand what I'm teaching. For you to be able to find the equation of the line CD, so let's write the points C and D, then we find the gradient. That's the first thing we need to do. So the point C, the good part is that I'm also given there. So this is something that is so simple because I'm given C, that is 0,6, and D, what is D? I'm given D. D is what? 6,0. That is what I'm given. So I need to find the what? The gradient. How do we find the gradient? I'm going to say this is x1, this is y1. This is x2, that is what? y2. So I find the gradient by using this particular formula. Gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is a particular formula we use where I say gradient is now equal to what is y2? That is 0 minus what is y1? That is a 6 over what is x2? 6. What is x1? 0. So I'm going to have negative 6 over what? Over 6. Then the answer is finally negative 1. Negative 1 is the what? Negative 1 is the gradient. After finding this particular gradient, I now substitute the gradient and a point x1, y1 in the general equation of all the straight lines, which is like this: y minus y1, which is equal to m open bracket x minus x1. So this is now what we call the equation, general equation of all the straight lines. There are two. I like using this one, and I'm going to use this particular one. If you are used to that one, you can be using that one, because we know that by the end of the day, we need to have same answers. So what I need to do, I say y minus, what is y1? Y1 is 6. I put a 6 there, which is equal to, m is the gradient. What is the gradient? Negative 1, open bracket, x minus this y and the x, these are constant, they will just remain like that. What is y? x1. x1, 0. I put a 0 there. So meaning that the answer I'm going to have, y goes this side. So it says y is equal to negative x times x minus 0, it's x. So negative 1 times x, it is just negative 1x. I'm going to write like this. Maybe there are some people that don't understand this. So then this 6, when it goes inside, it becomes plus 6. So there is nothing like negative 1x. It is just the same as negative x. So when I say negative x, it is just one and the same as negative 1x. 1 is invisible. That's the term I can use, where I'm just going to say, so what I'm going to say is that from here now, I will just say that therefore, so I'll just say therefore, the equation, this is what I'm going to do. The equation of the line, equation of the line CD is, so equation of the line CD is y is equal to negative x plus what? Plus 6. This is the answer. So I've found this one. This is your work. This is your work. Your exercise 1. So exercise 1, I want you to find the equation. Find the what? Find the equation. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line AB. So I want you to find the equation of the line AB. This is your work. So those of you under my online lessons, make sure that you attend to this work and submit in my inbox. I know today we don't conduct lessons and this is a public video, but you guys, you are part of me, you are part of Addisonite family, so everything I get to do, you need to participate. Even things that are outside our lessons, like these videos, you need to be participating in everything. So this week, attend to it, submit in my inbox. So equation of the line AB, this line AB. So I want you to tell me the equation of that line AB. We now move on to this other question. I move now to the next question. I move now to the next question. Those of you that wants to join me, I'm going to share my line the moment I'm done with this. So I find the distance AB. How can we find distance AB? What is our A? Point A, that is 6,6. And what is B? B, I'm just getting this. I'm given on top there. So no need of stressing. I'm just given like this. Then I say, okay, what is the formula? The formula, so this is same as AB. I can put the modulus like this, which is equal to, the formula is what? X2 minus X1, like this, I say squared, plus Y2 minus Y1. I do this, then it is a squared there. So meaning that this is X1, this is Y1. This is X2, this is Y2. I just substitute in that particular formula. I'm going to do this where I will do this. What is X2? That is 0 minus X1, that is 6. I say squared. Plus. So Y2, that is negative 2 minus. What is Y2? Negative 2. Y1, that is 6. I do this, then squared like that. What answer am I going to get? I say AB like this is equal to, so say AB like this is equal to, here I'm going to get negative 6 squared, plus here I'm going to get negative 8 squared. So meaning that AB is now equal to what? AB is now equal to what? This is 36. I'm going to get 36 plus this is 84. I'm going to get 84. When I add the two, I'm getting 100. I'm getting 100. What is the square root of 100? What is the square root? There is a square there. So I can end here where I'm going to say it is just 10. And then I say units. 10 units. So this is the length of what? AB. That is the length of AB. So this is what we are supposed to do. It just say therefore the distance AB is what? 10 units. You are done. So the most important thing is knowing this particular formula. And I want you people that are following me on all these other platforms, you also consider following me on Facebook so that you get to see everything I get to post. So my Facebook page name, this is my Facebook page name, Addison J. Zuru Tutor. This is my Facebook page name. Please follow me on Facebook. Those of you that are looking for tuitions, you can WhatsApp me on this number. This is my WhatsApp number. So you drop a WhatsApp, drop a message on WhatsApp. I'm going to help you at an affordable fee. You are going to appreciate and thank me later. And I gave you the first question. The second question, I want you to find, so a second question too. I want you to find now distance. I want you to find distance CD. I want you to find distance CD. So two exercise. Let's see how we can answer this. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.